Siphinde sinibingelele kwiKhaya TV2. Wena ke ungaka-subscribe kule channel, angazi ukuthi ulindeni. Awenzeke okulungile usubscribe kuleli khasi. Sekuvela ukuthi uPresident weMK uJacob Zuma usethumele umyalezo ophuthumayo through isecurity. Kodwa ke mina angageqi amagula awuyizwele nawo umsindo olandelayo ukuthi uthini.
Morning commanders. Macommand, ngiphethe i-instruction eqhamuka from kumuntu omdala. Anyone oseMaritzburg e-legislature, umuntu omdala uyacela ukuthi kwehliswe imoya kwinto yama-list ase-legislature. Useyayazi ukuthi ashintshiwe izolo ebusuku, kodwa uthi ucela imoya yehle, kungabi na any confusion e-legislature, ku-protect i-image yomkhonto. Udila naye ubaba lento. It's a matter ukuthi ubaba ushonelwe ingane izolo, umfana wakhe, at the same time khona obekumphula umoya akuthola izolo, waphinde ebusuku kwaba nalento. Uyacela ukuthi ama-comrade onke ehlisa umoya, uzoyilungisa into yase-legislature, but ucela kungabi na any disruption, kungabi na any violence. Asiprotecteni i-image yomkhonto. We are a peaceful organization, engadisrupt, engenzi any violence. Makhomanda, ukhomanda umshipheni from kwi-security, that the instruction engiqeda kuyithola from umuntu omdala. Sicela kudlule leyo message ke makhomanda ukuthi umuntu omdala nakho akucelayo ukuthini. Angibonge makhomanda.
Khona manjalo iNUMSA isigxeke i-ANC ngokuhlangana ne-DA, kodwa ke awukuyizwele bezikhulumela bona.
Interpret these results. I think there is no neutral interpretation of the outcomes of the result. If you say that the people have spoken, you must then tell us they have spoken and what is the meaning of what is the meaning and the instruction of those votes. I think often, I've seen it in the ANC, that it has been interpreted, these results of the people, in order to further sell out to the people. The people have spoken. They voted the ANC out of power for its failure to stick to liberation vision, to fully implement the Freedom Charter, to better the lives of the people, and they voted it out. And what we see crystallizing in front of our eyes is the ANC, that instead of doing a clear thing that needs to be done, to say EFF come here, MK come here, UDM come here, and still look around which other political party that is where people have voted, let's form a government in order to put together a revolutionary agenda that will change the quality of life of the people.